In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Facebook completely private if you want to lock down your profile so only the people you choose can see your information. This walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Start by opening Facebook and going to your profile. From there, open the menu for settings and privacy. On a computer, that menu appears when you click your profile photo in the top right corner. On a phone, tap the menu icon and you'll see settings and privacy as well. Either way, the goal is to get into Facebook's main settings. Inside settings, select Privacy Checkup. This built-in tool groups the most important privacy controls in one place, so you don't have to dig through every page. It will take you through who can see what you share, how people can find you, and other visibility options at a glance. Work through the privacy checkup and change the audience for your information to only me wherever you want maximum privacy. Only me means the content is visible just to you. If you prefer to share with a small circle, friends is the next most private option. But for a completely private profile, stick with only me. As you make changes, confirm or save each section before moving on. Next, focus on your profile info. This covers the details in your About section, like work, education, hometown, relationship details, and contact information. Edit each item and set its audience to only me. Take a moment to scan every category so nothing is left public by accident. Now decide who can view your posts and stories. In Privacy Checkup, you can choose a default audience for future posts. Set this to only me if you want a fully private experience, or to friends if you still plan to share with people you know. For stories, pick the audience you trust most. Remember, right before you publish any post or story, you can open the audience selector and fine-tune who sees that specific update. When you finish customizing these areas, your profile will effectively be private. Keep in mind that some basic items like your name and profile picture may remain visible across Facebook, but everything else will follow the settings you just applied. As Facebook updates features, it's smart to revisit Privacy Checkup occasionally and confirm your choices still look right. And anytime you add new profile details or create a post, double check the audience icon so nothing is shared wider than you intend.